Apple Clips has a large set of visual enhancements and filters that your students can apply to their video clips to add creative elements, change the mood or style, and make their videos more engaging. These effects include filters, stickers, animated emojis, and dynamic text, allowing your students to customize their videos and express their creativity.
To add a filter to a clip in your project, tap the clip you want to apply a filter, tap the Effect button, then tap the Filter button. There is a large variety of filters to choose from. Tap a filter to see what the filter looks like with your project. When you are done, tap X to apply the new filter, and then press Done. You can also add a filter to a recording. Tap the Effects button, and then tap the Filter button. Tap the filter you want to use, then tap X. When you record a clip or take a photo, the filter is applied. On any clip, including the one that you recorded with a filter, you can modify the filter or remove the filter. Tap the clip with a filter, tap the Effect button, then tap the Filter button. Then select either a new filter or select None, then tap X, and then tap Done. Apple Clips has a large variety of built-in dynamic text, animated stickers, and emojis. To add dynamic text to a clip, tap the clip you want to modify, tap the Effect button, then tap the Dynamic Text button. Tap the text you want to add. You can edit the text on the dynamic text, or you can add the dynamic text and then tap the dynamic text and then tap Edit to change the text. To move a dynamic text in the clip, tap, hold, then move the text. With 2 fingers, you can pinch in to make the dynamic text smaller and pinch out to make the dynamic text larger. You can rotate the dynamic text with your 2 fingers. You can delete any dynamic text by tapping on the text and tap Delete. To add animated stickers to a clip, tap the clip you want to modify, tap the Effect button, then tap the Animated Sticker button. Stickers that you have never used might need an internet connection to download the sticker. You can move the sticker, zoom in and out, and rotate the sticker just like you would with the dynamic text. You can add emojis to any clip just like you would the dynamic text or animated sticker. But you can also use the tracking feature to change how the emoji and even an animated sticker would move while recording a clip. To add an emoji, tap the Effect button, then tap the Emoji button. Select the emoji you want to add to your project. Just like you would with the dynamic text and animated sticker, move and either zoom in or out so that the emoji is over the object you want to track, such as a face. And it will move as the object moves. To stop the tracking, tap the emoji and tap Disable Tracking. To enable tracking, tap the emoji and tap Enable Tracking. To change the emoji, tap the emoji and tap Edit, and select your new emoji to either add or replace.
The incredible artwork in CPS.
You can also add an animated sticker to your clip, and just like with the emoji, it can track an object.